Finerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FOP. Today we'll be looking at number 68 in my list of the 100 top traders. Now today we'll be looking at the BlackRock large cap value. Now, using this strategy has done so well, it's put me in the top 3% in the most recent CNBC tournament with returns of over 53%. Now what we merely do is follow the holdings of the richest, most successful investors out there, and we find their plays through these free websites. Now, and get an average analyst ranking through these free sites. Now again, I'd like to remind you, all analyst recommendations are as of October 16, 2009. Now looking at the holdings of the BlackRock Large Cap Value Fund, which you can find on StockPicker, you can see that Chevron, General Electric, IBM, and AT&T all come in at moderate buys at this time. You can also see their holdings of their funds that you can find on StockPicker that rate a hold and a sell at this time. Now looking at the charts, you can see Chevron is clearly had a breakout recently, and stochastics is getting close to the overbought level. So I would probably see that stalling out for a bit once stochastics gets into the overbought level and possibly moving sideways for a while. Next we move on to General Electric. It's had a bit of a run up and has bounced off its 300-day moving average and starting to move down. Possibly see that one moving down into a bit of consolidation for this time. As for IBM, this one's had quite a fall as of today and is now sitting on its 50-day moving average. So since it had quite a sharp breakdown and stochastics is indicating a further move lower, I could possibly see this one moving into its 50 and 40-day moving averages before moving any higher. As for AT&T, this one's been down for quite a while and is now sitting on its 100-day moving average. Stochastics is in the oversold level, so I'd see this one going sideways until stochastics indicates a potential buy signal on this one. So in review, the moderate buys are Chevron, General Electric, IBM, and AT&T. And again, there are no strong buys at this time. And I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of October 16, 2009. And if you'd like a more up-to-date look at the holdings in the BlackRock Large Cap Value Fund, you can type that into StockPicker, then get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. And again, I'd like to remind you, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own shares of Chevron, General Electric, Goldman Sachs, IBM, and MetLife. So again, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FOP saying thank you and see you next time for I'm a Whale Watcher. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, creator of The Predatory Lender. Now, if the previous was a little too boring for you, try joining the Predatory Lending team as they go on their intergalactic adventures trying to hunt down the next great investment opportunity for you.